Today, I'm going to have to replace my Roku remote battery soon. This is a record for me. It's only about 2 weeks since I replaced the battery. Now you can check the battery life of my remote under settings and then go to remote and devices, click right and go about, and there you go. It says 30%, but there's times where it's not even reacting. So it's a little frustrating that the battery doesn't last that long. Alternatively, I should just use the Roku remote app so I can just the Roku, yeah, so I can just use it from here on my phone. But it's just annoying that I can't use my dedicated remote because usually I'm on my phone doing other things. 2 weeks lasts me 2 weeks.